Sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things what you're doing in my head, and I paint a picture. 'Cause since I've come on home, where my body's been a mess, and I missed your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie, Valerie, Valerie? Why don't you come on over? Why don't you come on over? Did you have to go to jail? Put your house out up for sale? Did you get a good lawyer? Hope you didn't catch a tan. Hope you found the right man who'll fix it for you. Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? Did you have to pay that fine? You were dodging all that time. Are you still dizzy? 'Cause since I've come on home, where my body's been a mess, and I missed your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, 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 Valerie. Well, sometimes I go out by myself, and I think of all the things what you're doing. 'Cause since I've come on home, when my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress.